All right, let's go over how to install this version of Quickli. You'll want to click download all, or you can select these files, or you can download them all individually. However you do it, just make sure you get them all in a zip folder or a folder. And once you have that downloaded, if you're on a Mac, you'll need to just double click on it and it should automatically unzip it. On a Windows machine, you can right click and extract all, or if you're using 7-zip, you can say extract here. And you'll be given this where you can choose the path and name it whatever you want. So just remember wherever you save it, click extract, and then you'll have that folder. Now, from there, you will go to your extensions manager and be sure up in the right-hand corner that you selected dev mode so that the load unpacked icon is available for you. Load unpacked and navigate to wherever it was that you saved that folder, and then click all the way through. You shouldn't see anything else. If you see anything else, you have not clicked far enough through, and click select folder, and now it is installed. From there, you can refresh wherever you're at, and it's a good idea to go ahead and pin that, and you can log in here, or I've added an ability for you to log in here. I recommend logging in here, but if you would like to do so, you can log in here. So type in your email address, and the password that you were given. Click login, and now you should be set. If you have any issues with Quickli, I've added this feature here where you can reset quickly. It used to be that you'd have to go in and refresh the page here. You might still have to, but this should reset quickly for you if you're having any issues. Okay, and yeah, once you're here, you'll have these different options. It's context aware, sort of. So there are some things I probably should fix on that, but if for whatever reason you don't see the proper context, just refresh the page and that should fix it for you.